I'm kicking the dog. Oh. Okay.
Together with my friends, we visited the 299 pesos unli samgyeopsal promo in Chab Chab Korean Restaurant along General Luna Street, Iloilo City. Unli samgyeopsal comes with free side dishes such as kimchi and vegetables. We don't also miss the opportunity to taste their free ramen noodles.
We are here today at Chab Chab.
They call this food review. Food review.
As expected, the food tastes great. The vegetables are served fresh, while the meat is tender. Our experience in this Korean style restaurant is not as unique with other Korean style restaurants. Chab Chab Korean Style Restaurant is not the best Korean style restaurant in Ilonggo, but at least it will let you experience the Korean style restaurant at a cheaper price.